Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going fantastic. I'm so glad you're joining me. Today I'm super excited to share with you the brand new September 2025 release from Papertrey Ink. Papertrey Ink has came out with a marvelous holiday themed release, and I'm going to share with you each item that's in the release, and then I also kind of did a little bit of a snippet of what each item can do. This is just a limited snippet, so there's much more that the stamp sets can do, the die sets can do, but I just wanted to share with you a few little creations to go with the brand new items. So let's jump in and get started. First off, we have the 12 Days of Christmas die collection along with the 12 Days of Christmas 4x6 stamp set. This grid here will cut out an A2 panel, and then this is a one piece, but it'll cut out 4 individual little squares. And then you can make an advent calendar on an A2 size card. It's pretty neat. The stamp set has 1 through 12, and it has the corresponding image that goes with the 12 Days of Christmas, and then the die set will cut out each of those also. And all of these will fit inside the grids. So how nice is that? I created something a little bit special here. I actually colored in 3, 4, 7, and 11, and I just stamped the others inside the grid. I wanted you to be able to see the dotted detail in here. But this would make a fabulous, a real advent calendar if you wanted to. But that is brand new. Next up, we have the Nutcracker Magic. We have the stamp set and the coordinating die set. These are sold individually. The stamp set would be considered a 6x8, or you get 2 4x6s in here. So it's a larger stamp set. You get lovely nutcrackers and ballerinas in here, along with some pretty Christmas florals and some beautiful sentiments. The die set will cut out the sentiments also, so everything in here the dice will cut out. I just created one of the little flourishes here, and then one of the cute little ballerinas. I gave her dress a little bit of a sparkle. So that is brand new to the shop. This is the Merry Motifs 4x6 stamp set. If you love layers and love, creating scenes, this motif set can go with lots of different things. There's borders, and then there's all these flourish motifs, and then there's 2 greetings in here. One says "Twas the night before Christmas," the other one says "Season's Greetings." The die set will cut out all of the images, and I die cut out this beautiful flourish, and I heat embossed it with gold, and this goes great in the corners, but look how pretty that is. So pretty. And then I also die cut out our greeting. And that is the Merry Motifs. I love all the names that Papertrey Ink comes up with their stamp sets and die sets, because they're really playful. This one here is called Festive Roots, and it goes perfect because you get the planter box, and you can create different foliage to go in it. The planter can also be decorated with stripes, polka dots, just lots of elements. There's two different ways you can fill the pot. One has dirt, one has grass. You can create some Christmas toppers in here along with some fringe. So much fun. This is called Festive Roots, and there is a coordinating die set that will cut out the images here. I went ahead and created a tall, skinny tree and put the little fringe on there. Added some polka dots in the bow. You can decorate this pot with some holly, or there's a bow that you can add to it, or you can add it to the tree, whatever you prefer. The trunk of the trees is very long, so you can make it as tall or as long as you want. So that makes it really fun. There is a brand new, this is Big Sentiments Happy Holiday stamp set, and along with a coordinating die set. The die set has 2 dies, and it will cut out the larger images in the stamp set. And then I love that there's secondary greetings or inside greetings, depending on how you like it. You can put them on the inside or the outside of your card. This is a 4x6 stamp set. And again, the 2 dies will cut out the scripty Happy Holidays, and it'll also cut out the block lettered Happy Holidays. I went ahead and stamped mine. Show you what they look like. That's brand new. I always say that smaller stamp sets and die sets pack a lot of punch, and that is what I feel with this stamp set. This is "Twas the Night Before Christmas." And I just love the greeting. I think that would make a fabulous front of a Christmas card. There's also some little motifs that you can add, or flourishes that you can add to the greeting. Okay, and there is a coordinating die set that will cut out the motifs, the foliage, and then also the berries. Okay, I went ahead and put mine on a circle. Look how fun that is. I think this would make a great tag too. So cute. So that is new, and this is the 3x4 stamp set. The first stamp set that I showed you was the 12 Days of Christmas. Well, there is a 12 Days of Christmas tile die. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a very delicate die, but you know what I love is one shot through your die cut machine will cut out this image. Okay, I stacked mine a few times and put it on acetate because it is so delicate. There's one little piece down here that's holding the Christmas together. So if you want to stack to give you a chipboard look, I think that makes a fabulous greeting. One piece means you don't have to worry about placement of each of the 12 days of and Christmas. So that makes it really nice. So that's brand new. Every month, Papertrey Ink comes out with a Reflections die set, and they are all very stunning. I just love them all. This month, it is 2 Corinthians 9:15, and I just love this greeting. Thanks be to God for his indescribable gift. How lovely is that? Perfect for the holidays. There is a coordinating die that will cut the greeting out, and I went ahead and cut mine out and popped it up. I did a little darker ink blending on here, but look how pretty that is. Okay, and also to go with the Reflections 2 Corinthians stamp set, you see the frame here. Papertrey Ink has a die set that goes with it. So this greeting will always fit in one of these dies. This happens to be the largest. And there's dotted detail on here, and then there's etched detail. Okay, the dotted detail is so pretty on those edges. The etched I like too. You can see etched has cut lines. And there are two dies that go great layered together, or they're great with our beautiful Reflection stamp set. So that is brand new to the shop. Now that is all of the stamp sets this month. Now we're going to move along to the die sets. This is the brand new Build a Christmas tree die. So you can customize your tree. I put ribbons on and ornaments on mine. This was so much fun. I just love this. So you can make some amazing cards with that. This is the In Frames Ovals die collection. Now there's 3 dies in here, but it cuts out the frame and the oval. So they do double duty. I cut out my frames here. There is dotted detail on each one of these. I just love oval frames. And look at this. There's dotted detail on the inside piece too. So I would definitely call this an inside out oval. That's brand new. Another brand new Christmas die set is the Love to Layer Christmas Tree. This has 2 Christmas trees that you can customize. This piece here can be trimmed down to fit in the smaller tree. There's a tree trunk, ornaments, stars. I created the small Christmas tree, and all I did was one little snip here, right here, to create the little garland for my tree. So cute. So that's the small tree, and then I also die cut out the larger tree. This is the larger tree. It will fit perfect on an A2 panel. Now you're probably wondering how I got the stripes on there, or the polka dots. Well, Papertrey Ink has the Love to Layer Christmas Tree Stencil Collection. Okay, this will line up perfectly with the largest tree and the Love to Layer Christmas Tree set. And there's 4 stencils that you can use to decorate your tree. They just layer right over the top. I added texture paste and then added glitter to my tree, and then in the background I put the stripes. But isn't that so much fun? Love that. So that is the Love to Layer Christmas Tree Stencil Collection to go with the Love to Layer Christmas Tree die. This month, Papertrey Ink has 3 rounded rectangles. We have just the regular basic rounded rectangles. This one has 6 dies in it. We have the rounded rectangles stitch die collection. This has 5. And then we have the rounded rectangle pierced die collection. This one also has 5. I love this, okay? This is what those rounded corners look like when they are die cut out. I just layered mine together so I could show you guys. The size of these are like perfect, and they make perfect frames too for layering. So nice. And then this is the pierced. So each edge has some beautiful detail to it. And I love that you could probably stack them together too. Let me see. I think they stack well together if you want to mix and match, which makes it really nice. Okay, so those are the brand new rounded rectangle dies from Papertrey Ink. Next up, there's a new cover plate die that's so pretty and perfect for winter months. This is the Stitched Snowflakes die collection, and it's so pretty. Maybe you can see here. This is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. The detail on here is pierced. I tried to highlight it so you could see it better, but it's actually really stunning. So that is the brand new cover plate die called Stitched Snowflake. There's a brand new stencil collection. It's called Dotted Lines. Now, this is a 4-piece stencil collection. They're great on their own, but these 3 can be layered together to create this. So if you layered these 3, you can create multiple colors, or you could use just, you know, one at a time if you wanted. This stencil here looks like this, so it's not layered. So if I were to put this on cardstock and use my ink, it would create this pattern, but just with one color. Okay, so I thought that was really fun and really playful. This kind of reminded me of those candy dots. So that's brand new. It's called Dotted Lines. And we have 2 brand new hot foil plates. This one here is called Merry Motifs. How beautiful is this? Beautiful landscape, beautiful portrait. I foiled mine with blue foil or teal foil. So pretty. This fits an A2 panel beautifully. That's brand new. And last but not least, this is the Fresh Greens hot foil plate. Now, this will be beautiful foiled with green. I actually foiled it with some hot pink foil, just to be fun. Look how gorgeous that is. This would be stunning in any kind of foil. Gold, the speckled prism style foils. I just love this, and this will fit an A2 panel beautifully also. So the Fresh Greens hot foil plate's brand new. So that is everything in the release this month. There is tons of fun, fabulous things for Christmas, but not just for Christmas, for all year round. The frames and the rectangles are perfect stash builders, but I'll leave a link down below if you want to head on over to Papertrey Ink and check it out. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.